Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. And when we look at the economical events plan for today is Wednesday, May 17th. At 7 AM we have high impact news plan for Australian dollar related currency pairs. At 3:20 PM we have high impact news plan for British pound related currency pairs. And we don't have any high impact news plan for other major currency pairs. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now and I've already marked the resistance zone and the support zone over here. And when we look at the overall trend of the price action, we have noticed a price action to reach the resistance level of 2067, and from this level we have noticed a price action to continuously trend on the bearish side, and it has also bridged the previous support level which was around 2005, and currently it is trading within a support zone from 1970 to 2005. And during this downtrend also you can notice that it has made a very clear red color candle which proves that the bearish trend is very strong. So we have noticed several red color candles, so we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. And of course, whenever you have a long candles, you'll always have a retracement, so we can expect the price action to retrace back to this previous resistance level of 2005. And as long as the price action is trading below this bearish channel pattern, we can expect a bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame, and the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend. And previously we have noticed this level between 2005 to 1970 to be acting as a very strong support zone. So only when the price action breaches this support zone, we can actually get the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. So the price action after testing this resistance level of 2005, we can expect it to again continue with bearish side retracement, and next level of support is going to be around 1970. And we can also notice that the price action is trying to make a double top pattern. So once the price action breaches this support level of 1970, we can expect the bearish side retracement to start in 4 hours time frame, which means that it has to break the next level of double top pattern, which is around the support level of 1970. When we look at the support and resistance levels, currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 2005 and support level of 1970. Once the price action breaches this support level of 1970, next level of support is going to be around 1938, 1907 and 1864. And on the bullish side, immediate resistance is around the level of 2005. Once the price action bridges this resistance level of 2005 and the bearish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start, and next level of resistance on the higher side is going to be around 2065. We have other resistance levels which we will mark in the lower time frames. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to bridge this support zone or the demand zone in order to make decisions on the bearish side trade. For now, the price action is trading on a support zone. Let us look at the price action for hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame, and when we look at the price action in hourly time frame also, we are noticing it to be trading in a bearish trend. So whenever the price action takes this bearish channel pattern, we have noticed it to bounce back on the bearish side retracement, and currently it has taken support around the support level of 1986, and it is on a bullish side retracement. And from the 4 hours time frame, we know that this is a very strong resistance level which is around 2005. Wait for the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement from this resistance level in order to freshly enter on the bearish side trade in hourly time frame. And next target from the higher time frame is going to be around 1970 or the bearish trend line from the hourly time frame. But when we look at the price action at this zone in the past, we have noticed it to take support and to bounce back on the bullish side, which proves that this is a very strong support zone. So if you want to freshly enter on the bearish side trade, I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this previous low, which is going to be around 1970, in order to get the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal in hourly time frame also. So when we look at the support and resistance levels, currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1994 and support level of 1980. And currently it is on a bullish side retracement. Once the current resistance level of 1994 is breached, next level of resistance, it's going to be around 2005, 2013, 2021, 2030, 2046 and 2066. And if the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, the immediate support is going to be around 1980, 1970 and 1962 on the bearish side. And the overall trend of the price action in hourly time frame is also on a bearish trend, as long as it is trading between this bearish channel pattern. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame, and in 30 minutes time frame also we can notice that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend, making lower lows and lower highs. So even if the price action bounces back on the bullish side retracement, we can expect it to find resistance on the bearish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame and to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. For now, the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1995 and support level of 1986, and if the bearish side retracement continues, the next level of support is going to be around 1980, 1969 and 1955 on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, if the price action continues its bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1995, 2000, 2005, 2011 and 2020. This level of 1969 is a very strong support from the higher time frame. Once the price action breaches this support level of 1969 or 1970, we can expect a very sharp fall on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, once the price action breaches this bearish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start in 30 minutes time frame also. Currently the price action is trading in a demand zone or the support zone. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.